If you see the message "can't use this folder to protect your privacy" in Zarchiver, don't worry. This usually happens because newer Android version have added extra security restriction to protect your files and personal data. As a result, apps like Zarchiver cannot access some system folder automatically. To fix this problem, first open Zarchiver and try to access the folder again. When Android asks for permission, tap Allow and select Use this folder. If the option is unavailable, go to Phone Settings. Then click Apps. Click App Management. Find Zarchiver. Click Zarchiver. Then click Permission. And make sure storage permission are enabled. On Android 11, 12, 13 and newer versions, some folders such as Android Data, Android OBB are protected by the system. In this case, update Zarchiver to the latest version from the Play Store. The latest version includes improved support for Android storage restriction. You can also try using built-in file picker when Zarchiver requests access. Carefully select the folder and grant permission again. If the issue continues, restart your phone and retry the process. Remember, this message is part of Android privacy protection system, not a problem with your device. By getting the correct permission and using the latest version of Zarchiver, you can easily solve this problem with a few minutes. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.